The DSP Laser can be retrofitted on any hydraulic, electric, or hybrid press brake which has the capability of 10 millimeters per second in slow speed and an acceptable stop time. By adding a manual mute switch to the application, the DSP Laser can even be installed successfully on a single speed press brake. The press brake in this video is a single speed press brake. Using the manual stop distance test block provided with the installation, we can demonstrate how well the DSP Laser interrupts the press brake's movement, ensuring the safety of the operator in the event of accidental exposure to the pinch point area during the operation of the press brake. As you can see, when bending the correct material, the press brake follows through the complete bending cycle. Using a scrap piece of metal or material, which is approximately 1/8 of an inch thick, we can demonstrate the stopping result of an obstruction. Even with an obstruction, the operator has the option to continue the bending cycle simply by releasing the press brake's foot pedal or treadle pedal halfway and then pressing it again. On a single speed press brake, when all lasers are obstructed, movement is restricted, unless the operator chooses to force movement by releasing the foot pedal halfway and then pressing it again. When bending material with a flange, such as a box, simply select box mode. In this demonstration, we can see that movement is halted when an obstruction is presented on the material to the pinch point area. Once the obstruction is removed and only the material with the flanges left, the bending process proceeds normally. Contact Smart Services today for all your safeguarding needs.